So I'm going to discuss the xylem and the phloem in this video. So what the xylem is going to do is it's going to transport water, and inside that water is minerals. So in the soil, you got a bunch of minerals that have dissolved themselves into the actual water. And whilst the plant brings it up, transpiration, it has some water and nutrients inside those water. Now, the xylem has an undisrupted flow from the roots all the way up to the plant. Okay, so there's none of this, no end walls or anything like that. It's just the water goes all the way up. Now, water has a cohesive properties. That means each water molecule joins up together and they get pulled up together. And this goes to all the different parts of the plant, different organs, such as the leaf. Now, as the leaf evaporates the water, that is going to draw up more water to go up the xylem. Now, water does also have adhesion properties. Adhesion just means the water hangs on to the sides of the xylem. Cohesion means the water joining up together. So it has adhesion and cohesion. Now, the xylem is going to go to different parts of the plant, the leaves, which has veins inside it. So inside the veins of the leaf, there are going to be xylems. Now, if you remember the leaf sections, there is something known as the mesophyll. The mesophyll is, sorry about that. Let me zoom in. So the mesophyll is this section right over here. The xylem is going to release the water and the nutrients into the mesophyll. Now, the reason why the water is needed is because it's part of photosynthesis. The xylem is also going to provide support to the plant. Unlike the phloem, the xylem is made out of dead cells. Now, the phloem, on the other hand, is instead of the products that are used for photosynthesis, is going to, what you need at the beginning, the reactants for photosynthesis, the phloem is going to transport the actual products. So what are the products? So some of the products are going to be sugars, glucose. It's made out of living cells. The xylem is made out of dead cells. Now, unlike the xylem, which goes in one direction, we call it unidirectional. The phloem is bidirectional. It will go up as well as down. Sugars are moved to a place, what we call the sink. This is where you deposit the actual sugars. So it could be a fruit, seeds, or roots, for example. And what the phloem is doing is from the mesophyll cells. So in these cells right over here, where the photosynthesis actually takes place, that has a lot of chloroplasts and sugars are created, is taking the sugars from here into the actual phloem. Now, depending on how quickly the sugars are being created, the phloem could adjust itself to different amounts being produced. So if it's more, it will transport more. If it's less, it will transport less.